Well, she used to have the 2 tanks, but the one was a little bit dicked, and a guy needed a pump or something, so I sold it. Hey? Recoup some of my dollars. Probably gotta switch these brackets around because this is the passenger side tank. We need to turn it into the driver's side. Oh, nice. Oh, wonderful. Rotted right out. Wonderful news. Won't quit that because A, the Chaslers are rusted out, and D, I had to order new Chaslers, so that's awesome. We're starting to have to spend our food money on friggin' truck parts now, so it's probably not a bad thing anyway, because I've gained like 30 pounds since I stopped smoking cigarettes. I'm not trying to become morbidly obese. I don't know what to do. 30% of the time, it works every time. I think any minute now we'll be ready to paint a door here. Fun fact, boys, yogurt, I don't know what this is, cottage cheese or something. No, this is Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, yogurt, that type of thing. The cup is same as paint cup, same. And the yogurt lids will fit on the paint cups. So, a little Tipolini for you there, buds. Sorry about that. Dump out some of the schmig and see what happens. That'll be alright. One little lump, not hurt anything. They say you're a good shop mumpney. Where'd you learn your shop mumpneying? Where'd you learn how to be a good shop mummy?
Oh, I've been doing it all my life.
Doing it all your life? Oh. It's pretty mystical in here. How to paint. That's all she wrote. It'll be good coat. That's a good coat right there.
I like your horse, man.
Thanks. You can get yours at onepickup.com. Beautiful there's frig out there in Inwood. I gotta move the van, a couple things. Got this NV 4500. Gotta rebuild for a guy here quick. Wasn't enough voltage to open the fuel pump, I guess. Weird. happened? Losing shit? Can't find nothing? Using all my good willows? Ready for paint. Too muchy. Is it your dog?
Yeah.
Or their dog?
Go. 3 days, he coming.
Who?
Yeah, no. What?
Who dog? Your?
What? Come on.
You better be nice to him. Is you a good dog? Good boy?
8 months.
Your?
8 months.
Your?
Yeah, 8
For
months.
your?
1,000.
Oh my God.
1,000.
You be nice to him, too muchy. You give him pets.
Huh?
You give him pets big time. You pet him like this.
He no good, no good. You see?
What do you mean no good?
He can't.
Look at him. Oh my
He
God.
go 3 days. He level.
You're hitting him and shit. Look at how he's standing. He's all scared and
You
dicked.
need that I for you.
What do you mean? Let him go. Let him go. You don't do that.
No. He go. You see? Oh my God.
Well, that's what they do, for fuck's sakes. What did you expect?
No, he.
Come here, puppy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Why is he scared and tail between his legs and holding his head down? You know, you're hitting this dog. I'm going to hit you, too muchy. Come here. You okay, puppy? You okay?
He go outside 3 days. 3 days.
Hey,
come on.
you
3 days.
You hit him? You hit?
No.
You don't hit?
No. I let it go for he know.
Yeah, you go boy.
He coming.
You go boy.
He coming Uller. He coming see the Uller and Toronto.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
This dog is not treated
You
good.
see? He
Look
go
at him.
outside. Yeah. That's one.
You're okay. You're okay.
Good.
He's okay.
Let it go. That's one. Wow, too high.
You're
8
a
months.
good boy. You're
8
a good
months.
boy.
He 70 pounds. 70 pounds.
70 pounds, 8 months. Who's a good boy?
Good, I for you.
Who's a good boy? Hey?
I for you.
What him name?
Boss.
Boss?
Yeah, boss. Bobby. Oh.
What a fucking crock of shit. I tried to tell him not to buy a GMC. What does he do? Buys a GMC. Let's try this out. Oh, look at that. That's kind of nice.
Way better.
Hey? My knee hurts a lot less now. Are you over there hooting and hollering? Oh, I apologize. Yeah, you can see right there how it's like sealed, and then right here it's like dirty from there to there. Dirty. Water coming in.
Great.
Pull her around back, we'll f***ing smidge her up. Take her to scrap, probably get $300 for it. Poor crawdad. Got a GMC. Now he's totally dicked, his truck's buggered. Problem with letting f***ing water down into your cab corner is, you know, it can't ever dry out.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, that you and Tiffany, you can come over and visit anytime you want to.
No worries.
Okay, thank
Yeah. Why would fluid be coming out of that hole right there? Yeah, no, you gotta pull that pin out, and that pin is holding the bottom side of that, so yeah. Not cool, man. Decent. Crawdad's all set up with the dash cam. Just need a little couple sticky things for the wire in the back maybe or something.